Hello, today we will guide you through how to find Google Meet history. To begin, open your browser and search for Google Meet. In the search results, click the official Google Meet page for online video calls, meetings, and conferencing. This will take you to the main Google Meet landing page where you can access your account-related options. Once you're on the Google Meet home screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll need to find the settings icon there. This area usually contains account and meeting-related controls, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct option. After opening the settings area, click on Call History. This section is where Google Meet stores information related to your past calls and meetings. If you're trying to review older activity or download a record for reference, this is the place to start. Next, click the button labeled Export Your History. This action sends you to Google Takeout, which is Google's tool for downloading copies of your data from different Google services. It's a useful option when you want a file you can save or review later. When Google Takeout opens, the first thing to do is click Deselect All. This is important because Takeout often includes many Google services by default, and removing those selections makes the export cleaner and easier to manage. After that, scroll through the list and select only Google Meet. By choosing just Google Meet, you make sure your export includes only the meeting history you're looking for, instead of unrelated data from other Google products. Once Google Meet is selected, click the Next Step button. This takes you to the Export Setup screen where Google gives you a few delivery and file options for your download. From here, follow the on-screen procedure. Depending on what appears, you may be asked to choose how you want the export delivered, such as by download link, and you may also see options for file type or export frequency. Read through each choice carefully so the export matches what you need. After you've gone through those options, click the Create Export button. Google will then begin preparing your Google Meet history export. In some cases, this may take a little time, especially if there is a lot of data to process, so be patient and watch for any updates or completion messages. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of finding and exporting your Google Meet history. If needed, keep an eye on the export status and complete any final download steps shown on your screen.